Good day, everybody. Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. As always, the support is much appreciated. Seeing today, we're talking some transfers involving some Jamaican footballers, some deals that were recently done, very recently done, that might have gone under the radar, So I don't see anybody else talking about them. So, just to highlight these deals and let everybody know that these deals have been done. So you guys can look out for these respective Jamaican footballers. See, now the first deal we're going to be talking about is Warner Brown. Remember, I did my transfer video where I did a roundup of all the transfers that happened before the window closed, the January transfer window closed, and we had reported that Warner Brown had made a move from Rochester, New York in the MLS Next Pro to NS Mura in the Slovenian First Division. Well, Warner Brown has subsequently been loaned out from NS Mura to Beltinci. That I best me can do, people. That is the best I can do. Andy Beltinci. That's the best I can do. And that team currently plays in the Slovenian second tier, and that is a loan move that goes until the end of the season. So you guys can look out for Warner Brown in the Slovenian second tier on loan from the Slovenian first tier team, NS Mura. So we're getting the young players out of the way first. We're talking about young players first. And the second one that we're going to be discussing is Ronaldo Biggs. Remember Ronaldo Biggs? He has been in Slovenia for quite some time now. So he would have started this season on loan at ND Gorica, and he spent the first half of the season at ND Gorica in the Slovenian first tier on loan from NK Domžale in the Slovenian first tier as well. Made one appearance for them in the Slovenian first division, ND Gorica, but he has subsequently now been loaned from NK Domžale to NK Rudar Valenje. Best I can do with that pronunciation. So I hope I didn't confuse you guys. He was on loan at Gorica for the first half of the season. The second half of the season, he's on loan now at NK Rudar Valenje from NK Domžale in the first year. NK Rudar Valenje is a Slovenian second tier team, and he has already made one appearance for them. Thus far, he started, right? The first game he was eligible to play for them. So you guys can look out for Ronaldo Biggs in the Slovenian second tier for NK Rudar Valenje. Both these two young players have the same agent, international dimension. So you can look out for these two young reggae boys. Up next, we have Jordan Scarlett, Reggae Boyz centre back, 27-year-old Reggae Boyz centre back. He was a free agent. His 3-year time at Tampa Bay Rowdies came to an end, and he is now on the way. Well, he's now signed to Louisville City in the USL. So he moved from free agency to Louisville City, a 27-year-old centre back who has been capped and who has played for our national team prior. Not many caps though. This is a player that I think is a good player, and I think is a player that, in all fairness to him, deserves a couple more opportunities. A very well-rounded centre back, in my humble opinion. So you guys can look out for Jordan Scarlett at Louisville City. He has a one-season deal at Louisville City after spending 3 seasons at Tampa Bay Rowdies. So his deal will expire at the end of 2023. And finally, Dane Scarlett, USL legend Dane Scarlett. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, he was at the Pittsburgh Riverhounds last season and now this season he'll be playing his trade for the Charlotte Independence, which is in the American third tier, the USL League One, right? So he's no longer in the American second division. He has made a move down to the American third tier. And of course, you guys know that, Dane Scarlett is a USL legend, seeing he's the leading goal scorer of all time in the USL. He's now 32 years old. His career winding down, coming down to the end of his career. He has scored 85 regular season goals in the USL and 110 goals in the USL overall. The first player ever to hit the first one, if I'm not mistaken, the only player to hit 100 goals in the USL's history. Since he's a legend over there in the USL, all-time leading goal scorer. This is his third stint with the Charlotte Independence. He has played twice for them before, so he knows the club very well. And his season is a one-season contract that will end at the end of 2023. So we wish all these Jamaican footballers all the best for, in their new journeys, or in their, some of them, temporary journeys. Hopefully they can make an impact at their new clubs. Knock up the like button, subscribe and share. Hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.